Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color tools. Let's start drawing. At first, I draw a spanner. Then a hammer. A hand saw. And finally, a screwdriver. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color the first tool, the spanner, with this dark blue. I color the top of the hammer gray. Then the handle of it with this brown marker. For the handle of the saw, I use this aqua blue marker. And I use magenta for the blade. I use red for the handle of the screwdriver. And finally, yellow for the rest of it. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.